A federal appeals court in California is expected to rule soon on whether states can force firearm manufacturers to incorporate safety devices in their products, a development that could have broad implications for how quickly President Barack Obama's recent calls for more smart guns take effect.
We need to develop new technologies that make guns safer. If we can set it up so you can't unlock your phone unless you got the right fingerprint, why can't we do the same thing for our guns? If a child can't open a bottle of aspirin, we should make sure that they can't pull a trigger on a gun.
The 9th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals in San Francisco is weighing a challenge to California law requiring manufacturers to make handguns that won't fire a bullet left in the chamber if their magazines are detached, and that will indicate when a bullet is in the chamber. The two safety measures were invented more than a century ago, but the ruling is likely to affect any state efforts to mandate the smart gun technology promoted by the Obama administration. Smart guns generally come in two different types: those that use fingerprint or palm print readers to authenticate a user, and those like the Armatix gun that won't fire unless the shooter is wearing or carrying a chip that communicates with the gun. Supporters of smart guns say they'll cut down on accidental deaths. Industry representatives say they don't object to stronger safety measures as long as they aren't forced upon them. The Obama administration laid out a framework in April for federal law enforcement agencies to begin purchasing smart guns and pledged grant money to state and local governments to buy their own.
So we're going to advance research, we're going to work with the private sector to update firearms technology.
The report by the Departments of Justice, Homeland Security, and Defense insists that the goal isn't to mandate smart technology for guns, but simply to spur its development. But gun rights groups say they fear that the adoption of smart gun technology by some will lead states to require it for all.